Origami is the traditional Japanese art of paper folding. In Japanese, the word ori means folding and kami means paper. The Japanese paper crane is probably the most widely known origami model. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of making a paper ninja star. All that, coming right up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe. And to avoid missing out on new videos, please click the notifications bell. Have a great day.